Are you or a loved one currently living in an independent living facility while undergoing mental health and or substance abuse rehabilitation treatment? Are you or a loved one unhappy with the living conditions and are having thoughts of quitting the program or even relapsing due to stresses of living in the housing facility? Two out of every three clients living in ILF reports to relapsing or discontinuing treatment at a facility due to the following factors: poor living conditions, overcrowding in the homes, lack of communication with house managers, medication compliance, and so much more. But wait, there's a solution. Before you even consider to leave or discontinue the program, we here at Southern Florida ILF Placement have a solution. We here at Southern Florida ILF Placement guarantees no more than 5 clients per home, cleaner facilities, friendlier on-duty house staff, trained house managers, on-site or on-call therapists and psychiatrists, weekly and monthly maintenance reports, medication compliance, and so much more. Nearly half our residents report to interacting more due to their during their therapy sessions and are less likely to relapse due to their ILF living arrangements. So don't wait any longer. Give us a call at 1-866 Home Free. That's 1-866 Home Free, and continue to go on with your treatment in a healthier and safer living environment.